My people, yes, I'm here to get my guest for tomorrow's show, Nonoo. Said you know they come on Thursday, sleep over, relax, prepare their minds for the show, and as usual, we have some preps, and so that the conversation will be smooth and nice for you to enjoy. In the next few minutes, Nonoo about becoming sa na yakope bi kakra di near the dinkomo. Now, it's not you're bidding more about the industry, about themselves, their plans, why you don't really hear from them in a long time. I don't know. It's each of them comes and they have their various reasons, and some of them too. Sometimes they want to give up because doing music now is very, very tough. I wish I for instead of a kind, your man is here, Philomena.
Obu famu na so me ya wa way to family one pa. Sure, Randy Nonoo. You are around. I say krom have butu. Umuza.
Yes, Randy Orlando, I'm a befano. Kopi bi kakra di no akogina home na nwumre so atatra se. Ne didi ho komo kakra. Na chire dru ha. Was a common tight.
Umuza.
Welcome to Sacrum.
No asaba.
It's also America.
Oh wow. Kumasi pa. Agro. Yeah, bosso. So, yeah, papa back off it. No answer mine.
Okay, good people. Yes, we just arrived at his hotel, Royal Lameta Hotel. It's Hano Bejina home na Ejumre Yatra Sedin Komo. When you credit. So I find.
Sure. I say, guy pumping, you me here. No answer mine.
Kakrakum.
I say krum.
No
answer mine. I land. Yako dizi. I fine. No me here. And see abana ya ba relax. No me here. Abada china wani. Abada knock things. Apunu be bie, mapunu bi atum na bi nsu abie. Ya de beko. No answer mine.
It is no aha Royal Lameta Hotel. Aha ana obegina home. So do nim no obiaba aha ana yama na badwudwo no ho HammerTime ye dwen hu ntino nyoma papa nkwa na de brewo etimi nyama gina ho me na echa ya to aso one time
sure sharp
abusafo so do nim no ye ne mpanyufo na hwehwe nkomo se ka se ye de no beba ampa ye ne keke kabobo that's right anu se motene nka che baba echa HammerTime you be komo you be GNE you be to your home food.
No that's mine.
No that's mine. Auntie yaba Royal Lameta Hotel obegina home na ope bibi kakra di. Na me adom akira na ya traso ni to ya. Lameta correct pa.